Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in this video, we will talk about how to fix Instagram Reels watch history option not showing problem. For this, open the settings app on your device. Now, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now, click on Instagram. Now, click on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. And after this, go back to the home page. Open the Play Store app. At the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram and update it if not. And if still your problem not resolved, then open the Instagram app. At the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. Scroll down and click on the help option. Click on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Tap on include and continue. Here, describe your problem, and after this, tap on the sign option. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.